Best recording ever.
Look at this traffic, girls.
Shush, Mom. Recording.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't get it on in time.
Okay, wait. Finish that.
Shush. Recording.
Okay, I think I'm done. Wait. Okay, I'm done sneezing.
Okay. Good job.
Okay,
Shush. No names. This is going on YouTube, okay?
I didn't say a name. I said, are you sore?
No, you said
Yes,
so.
extremely sore.
So.
Are you
I'm
crazy?
grammar
It
people.
hurts. And so does my throat. I can't not sneeze like that. But
Yes, we're in a car, okay, people? If you're wondering,
Oh,
we're
yeah.
recording this from a car.
Hey.
YOLO!
babes.
YOLO! They can't see your faces, but whatever.
Hey, people! Boom! Get me
Yeah.
on the light.
That's
Wait, give me
one of
with
my
the glow
friends.
stick. I'm the person that's sneezing, people. That's me. I'm the sneezing person.
Yeah,
I'm
she's
not
one of
saying
our
my
friends.
name, but I'm a sneezing person. Yeah. Peace.
Yeah, we're in a car recording this. I hope you all enjoy this awkward video. Peace out!